Hi everyone, this is a guest design team project that I've done for Arty Maze for her new kit, Dragonfly Dreams. It is a lovely kit, although I have to say I've used butterfly images but in this journal. The dragonflies are all the way through, as you will see. So hardback cover, it measures 6 inches across, 8 3/4 with a 2-inch spine. So on the front cover we've got, if I'm in focus, yes, just there's a raised pattern of a rose, which I've just added some gilding wax to highlight it. There's a printed fabric, I don't know, what would you call that? It says a journal anyway. And then we've got a cutout. I've done footy cutting of a butterfly and the same with the dragonfly. I've actually just heat embossed them. I don't know if you can, if that's picking, there we go. Yep, so they're just to add a bit of rigidity to them and also just to highlight them a little bit. I think it looks quite sweet. Closure is Tim Holtz fastening with coloured seam binding. On the spine, it's been a long day, bear with me. We have a dangly going on, little dragonfly charm at the bottom. They are all removable, I will say. So if they do annoy you, feel free to take it off. And then distressed back cover, loads of stitching again. So if we go inside, so front covers. So that's the inside cover. These are my images. We've got some dragonfly clip art, or just a bit of detail on the inside. There's a dragonfly inspiration card in there, and this is just a little notepad that I've sewn together. And that goes in there. As I said, loads of stitching, it's going to get in the way. So Edith Holden. This is actually a book of poems, and each author has his own cover page. So that's his. It's a nature book. Fabric pockets, printed ticket or fabric ticket on the top with a couple of tags inside. This is the Victorian Ladies Flower Book, music book, or music paper. That's my Welsh boys' school. I've left the original writing in there from about 1930, I think those are. Now this is an Arty Maze kit, but it's from a different one. I've sort of combined or added a couple of pages from a new one. I think that one's Nature Notes. I will actually list everything below. Right, now this is the new kit from Arty Maze, the Dragonfly Dreams, and it's lovely. It does come, you get 8 pages, well, I've used 8 pages of it, and you get 4 in this kind of peachy type tone and 4 in a blue tone. And I couldn't make my mind up which one to use, so I've used them both, as you do. That's just a digital stamp at the top. And that's also part of the kit, this line page at the back. These are my images. That's part of the Dragonfly Dreams kit, the inside page. And some more of my butterflies. So it's a bit of a winged theme going on. And that's the other half of the page. A bit more digi-stamping. Another fabric pockets with a tag inside. Another poem about a mayfly. Bit more digi-stamping at the bottom of that. And those are my images. Then we have dragonfly tag inside there. That's another one of the new kit, the dragonfly Arty Maze kit. I really like the combination of colours on these. This peachy one seems to go with a bit of anything. That's another fabric pocket with a printed fabric ticket, I think I'll call that one. It's got a tag inside. This is a paper bag. It's a collage. Bear with me. I keep running out. I keep making these things so flipping. Or I keep adding so much to them that when it comes to adding tags inside, so it's a paper bag that. So that's part of the new Arty Maze kit. So I fussy cut a butterfly and then added everything else sort of on top of it. Bit of stamping on the back. What I was trying to say was that doesn't actually have anything inside of that bag in there. Digi-stamping and Edith Holden. Oh, the English countryside. Nature book. Those are places to write in it. That's Tennyson. More poems. Pictures, a bit more of that poetry book. This is, I'm pretty sure this is Nature Notes, this one. The Arty Maze kit. Like I say, I will link it below. It's a watermark centre page, dragonfly. Poetry. Digi-stamping at the bottom. And then these are actually two bags that I've joined together, so it becomes a separate page, so more stamping on that one. Another fabric pocket with a card. That a lovely page. Some more flutterbies, although I think those are moths. Digi-stamping up there. Dragonfly ticket inside. Tom Brown's School Days. I just love that purpley colour. Probably doesn't go with the rest of the book, but I liked it. Some different music papers. Now this is out of the Dragonfly Dreams kit, as is the backing page. We have a fabric pocket with a big dragonfly tag in that one. And that's the Arty Maze kit, the new one. Digi-stamping and Edith Holden. That's a different nature book, that one is. I think these are all from sort of the 1930s, 1940s, these ones. Flutterbies. That's the Arty Maze kit, the lined page to go inside. Another fabric pocket. Ticket inside or a card. I just like the sound. Squish the paper. Sorry, being a bit childish. Some more digi-stamping. That's the back of the new kit. Love these bright colours. Dragonfly tag. That's the Arty Maze kit, the peachy coloured part of it. I do like it when you get a choice. Fabric pocket with a postcard. A Midsummer Night's Dream. I thought, well, fairies have wings, so that will go. Some of the English countryside. Nature notes. Another bag, so stamping, 2 bags sewn together. These are from the swap with Crafty Irina. So Irina, if you're watching, thank you very much. These have been brilliant. That's a collage I've done. Same thing again, it is open, but because I've done this so full with all my other stuff, I haven't really got the weight to add more cards to it. That's the new kit, the Dragonfly Dreams kit. A bit more digi-stamping, Edith Holden. That's the centre of the 4th signature, 5 signatures altogether, sorry, I should have said. It's about 160 odd pages, full size, or page faces, and then all these other bits. A bit more stamping. Doesn't that make a wonderful sound? Being a big kid here. Back in the Midsummer Night's Dream. Another fabric pockets. My poor sewing machine is going, what are you doing to me? That's the Dragonfly Dreams kit. And the last signature. Entomology, I'm assuming that's moths, but I just thought they were so colourful they deserved to go in. Postcard. And that's the Arty Maze kit. I don't know if people actually like these or if they do cut them off after. This is out of the children's encyclopedia I've got. Things to make and do. Bit more poetry. Digi-stamping. Yeah, more Edith Holden. I just went through and found out all the ones with butterflies on it. Or things with wings. That's the Arty Maze kit. The fabric pockets, the Dragonfly ticket. That's one of my images. That's the Arty Maze kit. All the fabric pockets. Oh, there's a stray bit there. I have to say it's been a good week. Our half term has just finished, so the kids have gone back to school Monday, which means that I don't have to stop up late to make. So in a much better mood this week. Oh dear. That's the back of the, oh there we go. How to do some charades. That's the Arty Maze kit, that one there. And then another butterfly on the back page. Oh, well, thank you very much for watching. I will put all the links to all the papers below, and I will be listing this for sale, so it will be going in my Etsy shop. Thanks very much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.